Hi everyone, Naga here. Welcome back. Today I want to share a really exciting weekend project with you, and it's a great example of power of leveraging the AI. Coming to the core tech stack used in this game development, we have leveraged Python, Pygame for capturing and detecting the real-time gestures. We are using OpenCV. But the real heart of this game is Google's machine learning framework, MediaPipe. This MediaPipe handles the precise hand tracking and gesture detection. This is the core of this game, which calculates on which the game logic is dependent. Let's go ahead. This is just the demo of the game. So I'm giving a quick demo and I'm running through the voiceover. So there might not be sync with the voice what I have and the demo that is running on. So just go through the demo and just I will be giving a voiceover of the context of the game and the tech stack, and I'll be preparing a detailed video on this in my later video. As an architect, my role has shifted. Now it's all about setting up the right structural guardrail and guiding the AI to build the final product efficiently. So the result is a quantum catch, an augmented reality computer vision game designed for kids. It perfectly blends mental math challenge with real physical activity. Now, right now for this demo, I'm sitting right before the computer. But how you actually play this game is by launching it and standing about 4 to 5 feet back from your web camera. This gives kids or anyone who is playing the game an ample amount of space for physical movement, letting them use both the hands to pop the correct answer bubble floating in the midair. Thank you for watching.